I saying 1, 2, 3. Here to do a actual review for Ratchet and Clank and to the nexus. Okay, this game is the most recent. It's the most recent game for the actual Ratchet and Clank series. Now for those like me who actually started playing Ratchet and Clank when it was on the PS2. The PS2 had a total of 4 games. Last game for the PS2 was a Ratchet Deadlock. It wasn't Ratchet and Clank, because Clank was not. Well, Clank did not play a big part with that game. He didn't. But he got his own game for the actual PSP. The first game for the PS3 was this direction. Then there was a and then there was a time. Then the game started getting very, very short, with a game called All for One Full Frontal Assault and to the nexus. The actual plot for this game is a solid plot. It's a very good story. In the actual game, basically, Clank has his puzzles, and they are challenging, but it does take some getting used to. It does take some getting used to. This game is short, but it's only like $30. So I highly recommend you picking up this actual game. Plus, it includes a DLC of Ratchet and Clank Quest for Booty is free. You just have to type in the actual code. Is completely free. So yeah. But yeah, as I actually said, it is very short. It definitely has some replay value because they're all, you know, certain things you can actually get if you actually, you know, replay it, like in a challenge mode. But other than that, it does the actual replay value is kind of small. It's kind of small, but if you are a die-hard Ratchet and Clank fan, like I am, that will not matter. That will not matter at all. The actual main plot of this game is fighting off these beetles. They are actually called nexus. They don't come in to the actual plot for like not until the actual middle, but I'm not gonna say more, but it's because that will be spoilers. So if you actually want, pick this game up. But if you're new to the actual Ratchet and Clank series, you can pick up the first 3 games that are remade for the actual PS3. It's the same as this, same price, $30. Pick it up. If you don't like it, okay, you can return it. This would be a very good game. I don't know how many times I've actually said that, but it is a good game. Short, but good. That's it. That's my be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, share my channel with your friends. Einstein 123 signing out. Peace.